Hi, appealing decisions like if there's a case, murder, manslaughter, but also regulatory or employment cases. To appeal it, we can also look at from the top down, looking at the judge, the prosecution, the police, the expert witnesses on the other side. Do they have regulatory bodies? Yes, the judges are protected to some extent. There are judicial complaints committees and you can make referrals. That tends to only be not for bad decisions or wrong decisions, but for bad conduct. It's easier to complain about the Crown Prosecution Service or the State Prosecution. The actual prosecutor themselves is regulated by their professional body. Did they step outside their remit? Did they hide evidence? That kind of thing. So a lot of gamemanship goes on, game playing even, but it's people's lives. So it's good to challenge, to see what are the possibilities, and then those organisations, if they fail to regulate the people they're meant to regulate, they can have actions against them. The triple civil of wrongdoing in a public office, breach of statutory duty and negligence, plus the human rights like the right to private and family life, Article 8, the right to fair process, Article 6, and the right not to be discriminated against, Article 14, possibly Article 3, the right not to suffer inhumane degrading treatment. So we can take these actions, why don't we? There seems to be an emotional block more than a legal block, and a fear of paying lots of money to lawyers. Being a litigant or a claimant in person is straightforward. If you can read a book, you studied anything in your life, you just pick up a book on this process, look at other cases, you can almost cut and paste, put your own facts in and challenge the challengers, challenge the courts. So this is how to do an appeal. Better not to do an appeal, better to have a really good defence in the first place, but that's in some of my other videos.